In a groundbreaking move, Google Play Store might soon revolutionize the way we handle apps across multiple devices, making life simpler for tech-savvy users and beginners alike. APK Teardown. Andy Walker, Android Authority. TLDR. Google is developing an uninstall option directly integrated into individual app pages within the Play Store. This feature will streamline the process of remotely removing apps from other devices, enhancing user convenience. The Google Play Store, https://www.androidauthority.com/Google Play Store 10934442. A cornerstone of the Android flagship experience, Best Android Phones 56800. Experience serves as the go-to hub for downloading and installing applications and games across your entire device ecosystem. Despite the ease of managing apps across various devices from a central location, there's always room for improvement. Our recent findings reveal that Google is working on simplifying remote app uninstallation directly from the app listing page. The Play Store allows seamless installation of apps and games on your other devices, even when you're not physically using them. By opening an app listing on the Play Store on an Android device, you can effortlessly install the app on your current device and remotely set it up on others signed into your Google account. This includes secondary phones, tablets, smartwatches, and even TVs and cars, depending on the app's compatibility and the platforms you use. However, the current process for remotely uninstalling apps is somewhat cumbersome. Users must navigate through Manage Apps, Devices, Manage and apply the device filter to retrieve the list of installed apps on a specific device. Once the list appears, they can choose the apps they wish to remotely remove and click the trash icon in the top right corner to delete them from that device. Don't miss out on the best content from Android Authority. Set us as a preferred source in Google's search. https://www.androidauthority preferred source Google search 358-6296 to support us and ensure you never miss our latest exclusive reports, expert analysis, and much more. In the latest version of Google Play Store v4747-19-31, we've uncovered code that simplifies the remote uninstallation of apps from your other devices. We were able to activate an uninstall button on individual app listings, making remote uninstallation more convenient than ever. This new feature streamlines the process of uninstalling a single app across your devices. However, if you need to remove multiple apps, the existing method within Manage Apps Devices remains the more efficient choice. As of now, the Uninstall button on the app listing is not active. We'll update you with the latest developments. An APK Teardown provides insights into potential future features based on work-in-progress code. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that some predicted features may not make it to a public release. Stay tuned for updates and follow us for more news. Thank you for being a part of our community. Before posting, please read our comment policy. https://www.androidauthority_comment-policy